Good morning, folks.
Looks like the screen's jumping
We
about a little
froze
bit.
then
We
for
froze,
a
we
half a
did.
second. We were captured in a moment of time, going, good morning, smiling and talking through our teeth. Good morning, folks. Hope you're all well. Thanks for joining us. We'll just give people a little bit of time to come on board. So we won't just start straight away. Because it's Sunday morning and we all like to have a little bit of a lie-in and a rest and a bit of a chill out, don't we? So you might have a cup of coffee or a cup of tea or whatever. I was going to say newspaper, but that just bin that. I won't tell you anything.
Morning, Sarah.
Good morning, Sarah. Thank you for joining us this morning. We're going to start in just a couple of minutes. Morning, Alex.
Yeah, morning, Alex.
Hope you're all okay this morning. I've got my sound tools at the ready. My bingers and my bongers.
I don't know what it's like where you are, but it's a bit miserable out here this morning. Good morning,
Good morning,
Anna.
Paula.
Judy.
Morning, Judy.
It's Anna.
It's Paula.
Oh, sorry. I'll get my specs on. Yeah, a bit of a wet grey. I think it's one of those grim up north days, as they describe it, isn't it?
Yeah, it's definitely grim.
It's definitely grim
this morning.
But there's no such thing as bad weather, folks. Remember that. There's only inappropriate clothing.
Hi, Joe. Hi, Stephanie.
Hello.
Thanks for joining us. I spent about 2 hours yesterday with a proper sound engineer trying to get our sound correct, perfect. It's still not brilliant, but it is better. So hopefully you might have a little bit of a better sound experience this morning. We're hoping, but we think there's some gremlins in the system somewhere that makes it all go a bit weird. And if you hear the weirdness, it will be with the sound instruments and they go a little bit fluttery and it's like a strange noise.
It's quite exciting, that, isn't it?
Yeah,
sounds like something's going to really happen.
Yeah, but I'd like it to be a lovely, like long resonant note,
like
not a like you've just stuck your toes in the sea at Scarborough, you know.
That's a new one.
Is it?
I must admit, I've never experienced that with sticking my toes in the sea at Scarborough.
Yeah, well, you haven't got feet like mine.
Thank God for that. Anyway, good morning, Chris. Good morning, Angie. It's 1 minute past 11. So
we're going to get started.
I think we're gonna get started. So hopefully we've got a lovely look. No, I've not got anything easy for me to say.
New teeth.
Yeah, hopefully.
Oh, come on, get your act together.
Hopefully. We've got a lovely meditation. You see, I'm so chilled, I've lost the power of speech already. So when you're ready, folks, if you'd like to make yourselves as comfortable as you possibly can, wherever you're sitting or lying, just allow your eyes to gently close. And allow the breath to leave the body. So when you're ready, exhale really deeply, letting go of that out breath. Every last drop of air. And then notice the pause that occurs before allowing the inhalation to gently rise. Feeling the body beginning to expand. And at the point of fullness, become aware of that pause again before the next out-breath leaves the body. And those pauses are points of pure stillness, of simply being, of pure existence. So make a conscious choice now to leave everyday thoughts to one side and give yourself permission to simply be in the here, in the now, in this present moment. The time you have is right here, right now. Leave conscious thoughts of the past and the future to one side as you go now on a journey in your imagination. So using your mind's eye, visualize yourself in a forest clearing beneath a clear, moonlit sky. You are warm and secure, enveloped by the stillness of nature. Sense the earth beneath your feet, feeling the energy of the earth rising into you, filling you with strength and with power and with healing. Notice the trees that surround you and feel their protection, their power. Sense their spirit. Breathe in the deeply heady aroma. And as you look upwards towards the sky, you notice the stars and you feel their clarity and beauty shining from the depths of a deep indigo multiverse. Dropping your gaze now and looking towards the center of the clearing, and there in the center you see a fire. Watch the flames dancing, flickering in the air, reaching upwards, swaying from side to side. Hear its crackling and you notice the colours, the deep oranges, the reds and the yellows. Sparks leaping away and being carried by the breeze. And you can smell and feel the warmth of the fire. And as you enter into a period of silent meditation now, you stare deep into the flames, connecting with your inner being, listening for any inner wisdom that your higher self may wish to impart. Release yourself fully into this moment, breathing gently. And releasing the vision of the fire now, watching it fade away. You become aware that you are just one of many, many beings that stand in a circle in the center of this sacred grove, connected hand to hand, shoulder to shoulder, and you feel a magnificent presence descend as a legion of divine beings gather behind you all, their outstretched wings forming a circle of protection, nurturing and cleansing your entire energy field with a warm golden glow. Feel the universal oneness, the universal love filling your entire being and the whole of your soul. Feel the love pushing away any negative energy that you may be holding on to. Feeling it evaporate into the night sky as your energy field is filled with pure joy. Feel it pushing away any pain, any anguish, basking in that healing glow that nourishes you to your very core. Every cell within your body vibrating now with love and healing. And as you look towards the center of the circle, you see an image of our beautiful planet suspended. And you feel a brilliant light of love and healing drop down through the crown on your head and the heads of all those present here. And from your solar plexus, that light begins to emanate towards the image of the suspended earth, encompassing her and all living beings that dwell here, healing divisions, eliminating fear, soothing pain, and imbuing faith and hope for a new world, one filled with love, joy, caring, compassion, and above all, unity. Keep breathing, long, slow, gentle, deep breaths. Allow each exhalation to fully leave the body and the inhalation to gently arise, feeling the expansion, feeling the release as you let go. And keep holding those intentions. Allow those intentions to nestle into your heart. Let fear be eliminated. Let any divides be healed. And as we reach that sacred time of 11:11 right now, radiate those intentions out into the universe in order that they may come to fruition. A new world here, now, is ours. So may it be. Flood those intentions outwards into the farthest reaches of the universe. Fill that universe with love. Be filled with love. Feel the nurturing of those divine beings. Become fully aware and fully immersed in the oneness. We are all truly connected. Together we can make that difference. We can birth a new world. Feel that healing glow vibrating in every cell within your body with love and healing, and every cell within the earth also vibrating with love and healing. Feel that hope. Imbue that faith. One world filled with love, joy, caring, compassion, and above all, unity. all that negative energy evaporating. There is no room here for the darkness. We work only with the light. And now it's nearly time to return. So leaving your eyes closed for those few moments more. Take in another long, slow, deep breath in. And release that breath when you're ready. Allow all those images to fade now, but hold them into your heart. Hold on to that joy and love which is yours to keep. And taking your physical hands now and beginning to rub them together to create that warmth and heat between the palms. And once your hands are beautifully warm, place the palms over each eye. And allow the healing energy from the Lao Gong points to penetrate deep within the mind. And just breathe. And taking another long, slow, deep breath in. And on the out breath, on the exhalation, as you let the breath leave the body, allow your hands to float back down onto your lap. And when you're ready, very gently opening your eyes. So I hope you've enjoyed that, everyone. I hope that's made a bit of a difference to you yourself today. We hope you go on to enjoy the rest of a wonderful Sunday. We know that that has made a difference. We know that all this type of work all over the world, people like us are doing this stuff, people like you out there. We just need to keep coming together, keep sending out that positivity, keep raising that vibration. And that new world is ours. It really is.
Yeah.
Any words?
No, just to say thank you. Thanks for joining us, folks. Always appreciated. And hope you really enjoyed it. And as Anne says, have a lovely rest of the weekend and a lovely week ahead as well. And hopefully we'll be back next week to do a little bit more.
No, I won't, because I will be teaching next week.
You'll be teaching next week.
So sorry, folks, I won't be here next Sunday.
It might just be me.
Yeah.
Might just be me.
Why not, indeed?
Yeah, so I'll do a little bit of sound work for everybody or whatever. And hopefully we'll see you then, if not before.
Fantastic. Right, our next job, we're going to finish the newsletter. We're a bit behind on it, so we're going to crack on with that now. Look out for it. Come in, drop it into your inboxes, dropping onto the newsfeed here in Holistic Wellbeing, because we've got some great, interesting stuff in there.
Yep, certainly
I would say that because we write it. Anyway, enjoy the rest of your day. We'll see you later. Take care.
Thanks, folks.
See
ya.
Bye.
Bye.
Now. Bye.